Good morning, guys. I am on my way to see one of my friends, checking into his building, and of course, got greeted by the one and only Koba. I love a good Great Dane. He also greeted me the proper Italian way with an espresso. We love that. We then hopped right into our session. I'm helping him out with a few different things. One of the things is he's a DJ, he stands a lot, so he has some discomfort in his back, a little bit in his neck, and of course, as part of the treatment, we get into a full adjustment session. This was a big one. I wish you guys could hear the audio, but that was big time. Then we go through a lot of our tests, which you didn't see, but I do a lot of pre and post tests just to make sure that everything holds. The goal is to be thorough, make sure we get the proper end result, and also these views are not half bad either. Anyway, off to my next one. Appreciate you, brother. Catch you next time.